Hey guys, in this tutorial we are going to show you how to embed a Flodesk form into your Squarespace website. So the first thing that you want to do whenever you log into Flodesk is go to the Forms tab, and then you're going to click Create New. Now you have two different options. You can do either pop-up or inline. I like to do inline, so we're going to go over to inline, and I'm going to show you how to embed this into your Squarespace website. We'll do the ribbon one. We'll customize it. You have to select a segment, so I'll just select one, and then we'll hit save. Now go through, I'm not going to go into too many specifics on how to update the form on this one, but go through, you can change out the type, you can change out what it says, so we'll say get insider tips. You can change out this type, we'll change out the font just so you can see the different fonts that they have, because they have so many good fonts. We'll throw in one of the script fonts. So we'll do get insider tips. Let me see if I can choose a different one. That one's not like it matters, but we'll do this one. It's a little bit easier to read. All right, you can change out even what the button says. So we'll say, let's go. All right, and then we're just gonna click next. No, I don't want to be notified whenever a new subscriber, and we'll just display the message. You do have the option now to redirect them to an external link, which is awesome, but right now we're just going to do the display a success message. All right, so you have two different forms of code right here. We're going to copy the first one, the longer code. We're going to go into our Squarespace website, and then you're going to navigate over to where it says settings. So whenever you come in, click settings on the left-hand side, and then find where it says advanced. Once you're underneath advanced, you are going to want to go into code injection. And then we are going to make sure that if you have other code in there, make sure you're at the end. And I just like to put a whole bunch of spaces so I know where that one ends. So we're going to put in that code, hit save. And then wherever you want the pop-up form to come in at, like wherever you want it to be seen. So we'll navigate over to pages. And let's say that I want it on, this is the home page of the website, and I want it at the very bottom before the footer. So I'll add in a blank section, and then click on it, so hopefully it'll scroll me down to it. And you can rename that section email. So if you go in there, you put in email or pop-up, whatever works for you. I'm not too worried about it, so I'll just leave mine as a new page, but you have the option to rename it. And then we're going to edit. Now, once you're in here on this new section where you want the email, so you see our footer is right here, we're going to add in a new block. So search for code, and then we're going to go back over to Flodesk, and we want to grab the second. It says paste this code where you want the form to show. So we're going to copy this form, and we're going to put it into this code block. Hit apply, hit save, and then you should, script disabled. Hold on, we got to go back in here because it's in safe mode, so we want to preview it. And then you should see, let me refresh the page. You should see it pop up. We'll refresh the page. And now if you scroll down to the very bottom, there's your embed code. So get insider tips, there's the let's go. And if we fill it out, then it will say the success message. So that is how you really easily embed the Flodesk form into your Squarespace website. And look how beautiful it looks. You can change out the background color and do all of that. You can also do it, I'll get into this more in probably another tutorial, but you could always do on the form if you want to go back and customize it or design it. You have the option to do nothing, a canvas color of opaque or nothing there. And then if you are good at coding and you kind of know your way around, you could do a picture behind here and have this as clear. So maybe I'll show you that in another tutorial, but that's how you embed your Flodesk form into the Squarespace website. Like this tutorial, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you get notified every single time that we upload a new video over branding, marketing, social media, and so much more to grow your business.